श्रीनगर और सोनमर्ग के बीच हर मौसम में कनेक्टिविटी को बढ़ाएगी। सीधे तौर पर ये आने जाने वाले यात्रियों के लिए एक बड़ी सौगात है। विकसित भारत की ओर अग्रसर होते कदम में एक और सफलता का सोपान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने सोनमर्ग टनल का उद्घाटन किया। 2700 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक की लागत से इस टनल का निर्माण कराया गया। लेह के रास्ते श्रीनगर सोनमर्ग के बीच हर मौसम में आवाजाही सुनिश्चित हो सकेगी। कई बार सर्दियों के मौसम में भारी बर्फबारी की वजह से कनेक्टिविटी कट जाती थी, लेकिन अब इस तरह की परेशानियों का सामना नहीं करना पड़ेगा। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने सोनमर्ग टनल की सौगात भारतवासियों को समर्पित की। इस दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने उद्घाटन किया टनल का और उद्घाटन के बाद टनल का निरीक्षण भी किया।
All right, Zeenat, my colleague, is joining us live as Prime Minister Modi is there in Sonamarg inaugurating that strategic tunnel connecting Sonamarg and Gagangir. Zeenat, talk to us about the significance of the tunnel and how is this going to be a game changer in connecting Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, and how will it give a boost to the defense logistics?
The Prime Minister Narendra Modi just inaugurated the Jadmo tunnel in central Kashmir's Gandarbar. It's a significant and a milestone in bolstering connectivity and tourism in Jammu and Kashmir, including Ladakh. It's a 6.4-kilometer tunnel which drastically will reduce the travel time between the Gagangir and the Sonmarg to just around 12 to 13 minutes. And it provides all-weather connectivity, ensuring uninterrupted travel to Sonmarg throughout the year and improving access to the under construction Zojila tunnel, which is the main project of the government of India on Sonmarg Kargil Ladakh highway. The opening of the Jadmo tunnel is expected to boost the domestic as well as the international tourism. It's going to be another ski resort in the upcoming time. And Manoj, apart from Prime Minister Modi, as we can see in the visuals, he's accompanied by Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, LG Manoj Sinha, Union Minister for Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari, and similarly Dr. Jitendra Singh, who holds the post of Minister of State in PMO. He is there. Then Ajay Tamta is there, and Adarullah Mehdi, who is a Srinagar MP, is also accompanying Prime Minister. Prime Minister, you can see that the Prime Minister is inspecting this 6.4-kilometer tunnel which has been constructed. This has been the central government's one of the important projects to give boost to the tourism and the connectivity, the year-long connectivity for Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. One of the game changers we can see, because this tunnel is important because the routes that the tunnel it is located. It takes you to close to the line of actual control, because ultimately, if you see the topography of the Jammu and Kashmir, it is the neighbors, the Pakistan and the China, and it is giving also a message and a very clear message to the China and the Pakistan that how India is boosting its network of infrastructure, be it close to the line of actual control, where you have the China, and also the line of control where you are dealing with Pakistan. So this is really a bigger and happier time for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and to those people who are living on the fringes of
जमीनी स्तर पर काम करने वाले जो श्रमिक थे, टनल निर्माता श्रमिकों से भी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने बातचीत की, उनके अनुभवों को सुना और उन्हें प्रोत्साहन भी दिया। 2700 करोड़ रुपए की अधिक से लागत से इस टनल का निर्माण किया गया। निश्चित रूप से सोनमर्ग टनल लेह के रास्ते श्रीनगर सोनमर्ग के बीच हर मौसम में आवाजाही को सुनिश्चित करेगी। कनेक्टिविटी को और ज्यादा सुदृढ़ और मजबूत इसके जरिए बनाया गया। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने सोनमर्ग टनल का उद्घाटन किया, उसके बाद टनल का निरीक्षण किया, टनल की निर्माण यात्रा की विस्तृत जानकारी ली, टनल का निर्माण करने वाले श्रमिकों से बातचीत की और अपने इस दौरे के दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी एक जनसभा को भी संबोधित करेंगे। आधारभूत संरचना पर काम कैसे विकसित भारत की तस्वीर को सामने लेकर आ रहा है, इसका एक प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण है सोनमर्ग टनल। 2700 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक की लागत से इसका निर्माण किया गया और अब सोनमर्ग टनल भारत के नागरिकों को समर्पित है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने इसका उद्घाटन किया। इस दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ केंद्रीय सड़क परिवहन मंत्री नितिन गडकरी भी मौजूद रहे। जम्मू कश्मीर के मुख्यमंत्री उमर अब्दुल्ला और साथ ही साथ तमाम सारे अधिकारी वहां पर मौजूद रहे। मेक इन इंडिया और मेड इन इंडिया की तस्वीर को भी साकार रूप मिलता हुआ हम देख पा रहे हैं सोनमर्ग टनल के निर्माण से। विकसित भारत की इस यात्रा में सफलता का एक और सोपान सोनमर्ग टनल के रूप में यह सौगात भारत को मिली है।
And let's also go across to Arawat, my colleague, reporting live from the ground. Arawat, very good afternoon to you. Talk to us about some of the features of this strategic tunnel. We know it's a 6.5 kilometer tunnel. It will provide all-weather access to Sonamarg, help in defense logistics. But tell us about some more crucial features of this tunnel and how will this give a boost not just to defense logistics but also to the economy?
Yeah, absolutely, Kruti. As we have seen that this tunnel has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi a while back, and we have seen that this tunnel will be the game changer in the coming future in the Kashmir Valley. As we have seen this earlier, if we'll talk about the Sonamarg, this was remained to cut off from the rest of the country for the 6 months, but the things have changed on ground now, and this time we have seen that this has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and you can see here in the visuals we are here on the ground in the Sonamarg, and you can see the sea of people here, and we have seen the people from across the Kashmir has arrived here. In fact, they are eagerly waiting to hear from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and we have been also told that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the tunnel, and he is taking the review as of now along with the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and other people in the right now on the spot, and he will take a ride from that very place to reach this very spot. And I will request my VG to show you the people how they are eagerly waiting to hear from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Also, we have seen that these people are saying that this is the New Year's gift from the Prime Minister of India to the people of the Jammu and Kashmir. And we have seen this tunnel has been inaugurated, and it is 6.5 kilometers. And we have also seen that this tunnel can play a crucial role in the backbone of the Kashmir tourism. We have also seen that the yes.
टनल का निर्माण करने वाले तमाम श्रमिकों से बातचीत की, उनकी हौसला अफजाई की, उनके अनुभवों को सुना और सोनमर्ग टनल के रूप में एक और सौगात मजबूत होते भारत की, विकसित होते भारत की, सक्षम भारत की तस्वीर को बयां करती है।
And we can see here in the visuals how the people are eagerly waiting to hear the Prime Minister Narendra Modi here in the Sonamarg area. We have seen that the tunnel has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with the Nitin Gadkari Road and Transport Minister. Also, we have seen that the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Chief Minister Umar Abdullah is also there as of now. In fact, you can see there the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is interacting with the people who were worked in this tunnel, and we have also seen this tunnel can be the game changer for the Kashmir Valley. As we have earlier seen, the Sonamarg area remained cut with the rest of the valley, but after the inauguration of this tunnel, now the people of Sonamarg can feel the boost in the tourism. Also, the locals are eagerly waiting to hear the people of Kashmir Valley, and you can see here in the visuals that this tunnel has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Also, now you can see here there in the visuals the people who are eagerly waiting to hear from the people of the Kashmir Valley. In fact, we will also try to speak with the people here. टनल जो है इनॉग्रेट किया गया प्रधानमंत्री के द्वारा, क्या कहेंगे, कैसा बूस्ट ये देगा जो अगर हम जम्मू कश्मीर की बात करें, स्पेशली सोनमर्ग की बात करें?
और यही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की खूबी।
टीवी पे देखते ही जैसे अभी उसने छोड़ा, इतनी खुशी हो गई, कोई कहने की बात नहीं। बहुत बड़ी खुशी हुई लोगों को। ये रोजगार का मसला है, लोगों का रोजी रोटी का मसला है। 6 महीने जहाँ लोग बर्फ के नीचे रहते थे, बेरोजगारी थी, तो अब ये टनल छोड़ने से इंशाल्लाह रहमान अब टूरिस्ट आएगा, तो मेन टूरिस्ट है। जब टूरिस्ट आएगा तो तब सोनामार्ग में काम चलेगा, बेरोजगारी खत्म हो जाएगी, तो गरीब बच जाएंगे। तो इसीलिए तो हम यहाँ आए हैं, इसका नरेंद्र मोदी साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए, वेलकम करने के लिए, कि बहुत खुशी हुई है लोगों को। डिस्ट्रिक्ट गांधरबल का इलाका है, ये पिछड़ा हुआ इलाका है, बहुत गरीब इलाका है, इसमें बिल्कुल हर चीज की इसमें कमी है। जमीन में तो इस चीज में इसमें कोई पैदावार जहाँ होती नहीं है, जहाँ लोगों का सिर्फ रोजगार है टूरिस्ट पे। तो इंशाल्लाह रहमान अब हमें खुशी हो गई। आज हम खुश हैं कि जो ये गगनगीर का टनल जो आज मोदी साहब ने अभी छोड़ दिया, तो अब टूरिस्ट आएगा, हमारी गाड़ी वालों को, स्लेज वालों को, कैमरा वालों को, होटल वालों को, दुकानें वालों को, मजदूरों को यहाँ रोजगार मिलेगा। तो इसीलिए हम इसका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं।
Thank you very much for speaking to the Republic TV. In fact, I'll request my Vijay to show you these visuals that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is still there at the Sonmarg, and he is interacting and he is reviewing the things and confirming the other details there. Also, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking the ride inside the tunnel there in the Sonmarg tunnel, and these are the visuals that Firdaus is showing you the visuals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking the ride inside the tunnel, and he will come to this very spot any time from now. And we are also being told all the preparations are done here to welcome the Prime Minister Narendra Modi here in the Kashmir Valley. In fact, if we'll talk about this newly inaugurated tunnel, and this can play an important role in the tourism sector. If we'll talk about the Kashmir's tourism, we have seen that multiple projects, developmental projects in the Kashmir Valley, particularly if we'll talk about the railway, which is also scheduled to be inaugurated, particularly in this month. Also, we have seen that these kind of projects are being inaugurated in the Kashmir Valley, and we have seen the various political parties leaders have also arrived here, and we have seen that the ground situation here for
seeing that the work was done on a very high speed, and this project has cost Government of India somewhere around 2,700 crores. And finally the day has come when Gagangir is connected with Sonmarg, and the avalanche prone patches have been covered. Now people don't have to hamper their journey. They can take the route of the tunnel. They can use this tunnel to reach. It will not only reduce the travel time but also the distance, as the area of around 13 kilometers has been now converted into 6.4 kilometers, which is very important, as this is all weather connectivity tunnel. It is giving a logistic and the tourism boost to the entire region of Jammu and Kashmir. And for this tunnel, the people of J&K are quite, they are expressing their gratitude to the Prime Minister of the country to inaugurate it, and the Prime Minister has gifted them this tunnel on the occasion of Lohri. This is seen as a bigger boost to the connectivity in Jammu and Kashmir, because today the project has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister of the country, and now all eyes on the rail connectivity when the Jammu and Kashmir will be connected with the rest of the country, as that project will also be inaugurated in the next 2 weeks. That is what we are expecting. So there are a lot of enthusiasm on the ground, and the people now who had come to hear Prime Minister I'll ask my VJ Mubashir to show you the kind of visuals, the crowd that has gathered here to listen to the Prime Minister, because Prime Minister in some time from now will be addressing the population of Ganderbal and also the people who had come from different districts to listen to Prime Minister. Prime Minister will be here in some time from now, and as Prime Minister was after inaugurating the tunnel, he went inside the tunnel, he inspected the tunnel and also talked to those workers who have been the part of this entire journey of this tunnel. Quite a happy moment and a big enthusiasm on the ground when the Prime Minister of the country, whose visit has come. This is the first visit of the Prime Minister in the Kashmir Valley after the elections of Union Territory. So there's a lot of enthusiasm. Similarly, we see the security arrangements. The blanket cover of the security is in the Ganderbal, where every inch is being monitored by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the army. The Army Corps Commander himself is staying in the August gathering to listen to the Prime Minister and also monitoring the security scenario on the ground. That tells you about the picture of the security coming from the Sonmarg, which is going to be a tourist hub with the inauguration of the tunnel, and also this will come as a ski destination in couple of years, which the Chief Minister of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir has mentioned that this government will focus to develop this as a tourist and also as a ski destination, because when you come to Kashmir and you're looking for the powder snow, you straight away head to Gulmarg. But now the government of Jammu and Kashmir is planning to give another alternative to the people or to the visitor or to the tourists if they prefer doing the skiing here on the slopes. So they will come in couple of years from now. The Sonmarg will be developed as a ski destination. So apart from tourism and the military and the logistics support that this tunnel will give, it will also generate employment opportunities to people, because it will be a year all-weather connectivity will be there, year-long connectivity will be there, so that will not shut the employment or the people who are in the private business. Their employment or their livelihood will not be affected, because round the year now the people can come to Sonmarg, they can come and enjoy the destination, and also for the logistics and for the convoy movement, this is going to give a big boost to the military support.
So that was my colleague Zeenat reporting live from Sonmarg, where the Prime Minister just inaugurated the Z-Mode tunnel with Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, LG Manoj Sinha and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Of course, this is a game changer for connectivity in Jammu and Kashmir and even in Ladakh, as the tunnel connects Sonmarg to Gagangir. With that, we'll shift into a very quick break, but stay tuned to Republic. We continue to bring you ground report from Sonmarg, where the Prime Minister is also going to address a crowd of people.